Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English and I speak English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
100%.
healthy? Okay, are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy 100%, ma'am.
Are you sure that you are healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any work? Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am. Only me.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
What is your name?
My name is Rachel Gomez and I'm 33 years old and I live in Caloocan City. Then I have two kids, one boy and one girl. The boy is 14 years old, then the girl is 9 years old.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
I'm single, ma'am, but I have a live-in partner.
When is your birthday?
Um, February 11, 1990.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 59. Then my height is 5'2".
What is your birthday? February 11, 1990?
My birthday is May 22, 1992.
You forget your birthday, yeah.
No,
Your bir-
ma'am. You
you told
asking
me
me.
it's February 11, 1990, so I will repeat. When is your birthday?
May 22, 1992.
May 20,
1992.
1992. What is your religion?
I'm a Catholic.
What is your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate.
This is your first time working abroad.
No, ma'am.
So you are an ex-OFW and you already
Yes,
know about all those things and you know about all the rules and regulations, right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who will going
100%.
to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
60 years old and she is a housewife.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers and four sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm second daughter, ma'am.
What about your father?
My father is farmers.
How old is he?
58.
What about your live-in partner? Is this live-in partner is your children's father?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is he and what is his occupation?
He is 35 years old. Then she's a taxi rider.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Are you sure? Later we have problem. Oh, I want my wife to go back home in the Philippines because I miss my wife. So later
No, ma'am.
we have problem like that.
It's so weird.
Noah, okay? Because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. It is not new for you. You are an ex-OFW and you know what will be the consequences once you terminate your contract, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I
In which
understand.
country you have your working experience?
Saudi Arabia, the mom.
How many years you work there?
8 years.
Oh, 8 years, quite long. So why decided to come and work here?
I decide to because I finish contract.
This is for one employer only, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
2017, then I end January 2025.
Oh, so Saudi and Malaysia is very quite different one. You might be
Um,
culture shock later. People here, employer here is very um when it comes of cleanliness, they are very strict of it. Okay?
No,
So
ma'am.
later, once you come to work here in Malaysia, don't compare
Yeah,
Kingdom
ma'am.
of Saudi Arabia here in Malaysia because it's a different one, okay? You need to
Yes,
ready
ma'am.
yourself, you need to get prepared, you need to fasten your seatbelt because you might not know, you might experience those things that you didn't experience in Saudi,
Yeah,
okay?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in KSA?
I cook
Okay?
every I cook, cleaning, take care baby, um, take care plant, anything, ma'am.
You do laundry and ironing?
Yeah, ma'am.
How many children you take care?
11.
11 children.
Yes, ma'am.
That are you alone inside the house or what?
Only, ma'am. Only me.
Only you. Then how old are those children? Can you elaborate how old are those children?
Uh, Everyone is finished college.
So
Uh,
how old are those children? So how many total family members inside the house?
11.
11.
Yes, ma'am.
So is there any small children?
No, ma'am. But the the babies. What is that? The baby's mother. You
Ah,
only if I
so
coming home.
before you start your work, you take your children.
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children you take care before? While they are still young?
Since baby, if she's
Take care infant
yes, yes, ma'am. If I,
until he grows for 8 years, is it?
yes, no, ma'am. Now she's 5 years old.
5 years old. So, okay, you take care an infant. How many? Okay, you take care infant. So one child, right? So now she's turning 5 years old. So how old are those children that you take care before the other children while they are still young?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are they?
The mother's baby, I think 33 years old.
So I mean total how many children you take care there?
I have three.
How old are those children?
The one is the firstborn, then the second is 2 years old, then the one
Okay,
is three. Yes, ma'am.
3 years old.
Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
what happened? Why you decided to let go this employer? Because you've been working for them for 8 years.
I want to experience any country.
Okay, so how old you've been in KSA? Like it's your first time working there in KSA. How old are you before?
I'm 25.
25. Okay. So, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. 100% ready.
100%. You okay to take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as I have mentioned many times, you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800 in our contract, but if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month, okay?
Okay,
Are
ma'am.
you okay with the rules and regulations?
Ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, We don't force people to come here. If you agree with our terms and conditions, it's okay, you can come. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself that this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Any concerns, any problems, inform your employer. Respect the culture of the employer.
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
I fight to pray, busy yourself. That's why I
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Rachel. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.